Next we have the founders of the HONK Festival, which is now a nationwide and worldwide festival from Rio de Janeiro to Sydney, Australia. We have the origin here, the homegrown Somerville Second Line Social Aid and Pleasure Society.
Hey Cambridge. Hey Cambridge. It's so good to see all of you. Thank you so much to the team for inviting me to join them today with all of you. I was really brought here to talk about Black trans folks and to talk to you all about the Black trans women who have been murdered in this country this year. And although those murders haven't necessarily happened here in Cambridge, it is something that has happened that we all should be aware of. And so I'm very thankful for the team, for the acknowledgement around the work that Black Lives Matter is doing nationally. However, yeah, thank you. I have been here probably for a day. And so whenever I go anywhere, my first two questions always are, where are the Black people? I see you waving. Hi, love. I see another one. So I'm gonna ask all of the Black people who are here to make some noise. I'm gonna ask everybody to look around and find somebody Black. So this isn't a comedy moment. It's a moment to really be aware of what erasure looks like. So we're chanting Black Trans Lives Matter. We interrupted this esteemed festival that you celebrate every year. Where are the Black trans people? Where are the Black trans women in Cambridge? So look around. So we're activists, right? Or at least some of us claim to be. So if we haven't centered Blackness in our activism, we're doing something wrong. If the community is not here, we're doing something wrong. Where are the folks from Area 4?
Let's go Area 4!
There's a reason why this space looks like it does. And so we could talk about ending police violence. We can talk about why Black trans women are being murdered. But if we don't start to look at ourselves and the ways that we actively participate in the erasure of folks, then we're all failing. You all are failing. I'm not done. And that's exactly why you're failing. Because of shit like that. So when you see my Black ass on the stage, don't shout out no All Lives Matter. That would be the biggest mistake you ever made. When Black people are dying in this country and you yell out All Lives Matter, you are erasing the fact that people are being murdered. So you should sit with that shit. Don't do me. And so to support this fine fella that thought it was okay to yell while a Black trans woman was speaking, I want to address the folks who were completely uncomfortable with the interruption of the march. So I specifically did not march with my team because I didn't see enough black trans people. That gave me the opportunity to hear all of you who were offended that the march stopped. So I want you to understand what it looks like for black people in Cambridge when they have to learn that Mike Brown has been murdered, or that 20 black trans women have been murdered this year, most recently Keisha Blige in Detroit. This is what interruption of black life looks like. So the 5 minutes that you spent being uncomfortable are the lifetimes that black people spend being uncomfortable in spaces that are dominated by nothing but white faces. So Black Lives Matter.
No justice, no peace. No transphobic police. No justice, no peace. No transphobic police. If we don't get it, if we don't get it, shut it down. Wait, I just want to say, we told you we were going to shut it down. We were marching the whole way. We told you we were going to shut it down. That's what we do. So if you're mad, take it up with me. Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black trans lives matter!
And now